Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a networking platform with Eventbrite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build a networking platform with Eventbrite, start by visiting the Eventbrite website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button. Fill in the basic event details, including the event title, date, and time. Select networking as the event type to target your audience effectively. Provide a compelling event description that outlines the purpose and value of your networking platform. Set a ticket type that suits your event, such as free or paid tickets, depending on your goals. Define the ticket quantity to control the number of attendees. Configure the event settings by choosing your privacy options, such as public or private visibility. Include relevant tags to help potential attendees find your event easily. Design an engaging event cover image to attract more participants. Set up an online registration form to gather important attendee information. Integrate social media sharing options to increase visibility and reach. Preview your event page to ensure all details are clear and appealing. Finally, click on Publish to make your event live and accessible for registration. Monitor your event dashboard for ticket sales and attendee engagement. As the event approaches, send reminder emails to keep attendees informed. After the event, engage with participants through follow-up messages to foster community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.